Hey guys, today is Halloween. Let's go around and see how people are celebrating Halloween and how they have decorated each house. Oh, look what we have here. There are three ghosts sitting outside this house. Oh, look at this house. This house is having a lot of graveyard tombs and a lot of ghosts on the trees. Spooky. Look, someone is going for trick or treat. Who are these guys? Some skeletons are popping out of the window. Quite scary. So each and every house decorates amazingly, and they have chocolates outside, so the children can come and take the chocolates. It is called trick or treat. So it's also amazing. Ooh, it's so scary. Ooh, it scared me.